In this video, I'll be demonstrating branching through a branching exercise. The first step is to make a new folder called Patronos. I'll just copy the name of the folder, which is Patronos. Then I'll create the folder. Right click, new folder, then paste the name Patronos. Now I'm sure that the name of the folder is the correct name. Now we're done with the first step. Let's go to the second step. Make a new Git repo inside the folder. Make sure you're not in an existing repo. So now let's open the folder, then open Git Bash, and let's check first if we are inside a Git repo. So I'll put here Git status to know the status of the Git repository, if it is so, and it shows here that it is not a Git repository, or its parent directory is not a Git repository. So we satisfied the condition on the second. So now let us create a new Git repo. So I'll put here Git init to make it a Git repo. And now we see that there is a new folder, which is .git. It is a hidden folder. It was created after I gave the command git init. So we're done with the second step. Let's go to the third step. Create a new file called patronos.txt and leave it empty for now. So I copy the file name, and let's go to the folder and right click, new, and text document, and I highlight the entire file name and I paste patronos.txt. That's it. And now I have a new file, patronos.txt, on patronos folder. We're done with the third step. We just left it empty. Now let's go on the fourth. Add and commit empty file with a message, add empty patronos file. So now let us add. So git add, and the name of the file, which is patronos.txt. There, git add. Let's see git status to see if it is in the staging area. There, changes to be committed. So it is now in the staging area, the patronos.txt. Now let us commit. Git commit, then -m, and now the message. The message is add empty patronos file. So I'll put here add empty patronos file. There. So I now committed the change. Now after we're now done with the fourth step, we committed the empty file. Now let us create a new branch called Harry and Snape. On the git bash, I will first check the overall list of branches that I have on my repository. So I'll put here git branch to see the list. So here I am only possessing one branch, which is master, which I am currently in, I'm in master branch. Now I will create new branches by putting git branch then the name of the new branches. And since I am in the master branch, the new branches that I'll be creating will be based on the branch that I am currently in. So since I am in master branch, the branches that I'll be creating will be based on the master branch. And let's see the parenthesis, both based on the master branch. So since I am in the master branch, any new branch that I'll be creating will be based on the master branch. So two new branches, Harry and Snape. So I'll put here git branch Harry, and I'll put here git branch first to see if I have a new branch here. So as we can see, there is a new branch that is named Harry, and I'll also create a branch for Snape. So git branch Snape, and I'll check the list of branches. Here we have Harry, Master, and Snape. So now uh, we are now finished with the fifth step. Let's go to the sixth step. Move to the Harry branch using new command to change branches. This new command is the git switch. So I'll put here git switch towards Harry. So I'll switch to the Harry branch. Yeah, number 6 says move to Harry branch. So I'll be putting the command git switch Harry so that I can switch to Harry. I will confirm now if I am in Harry branch. So here, since Harry now has a green font color and it has an asterisk on its side beside the name Harry, so it means that I am now in the Harry branch. So we're done with step 6. Now we're in step 7. In the patronus.txt file, add the following: Harry's Patronus. So I'll just copy the Harry's Patronus and I'll open the patronus.txt and I'll paste it here. I'll save it. So I saved the patronus.txt. Already added the below content. Now add and commit changes with the commit message add Harry's Patronus. So now let's go to git bash and give the command git add patronus.txt, then git commit -m or -m, then add Harry's tag Patronus. So add Harry's tag Patronus. So the commit was complete. We're done with step 8. Let's go to step 9. So step 9, move over to the Snape branch using the older command to change branches. So to do that, I'll be giving the command git checkout, then the name of the branch that I'll be going to, which is Snape. git checkout Snape. So now I switch to Snape. I'll confirm it by giving the command git branch to see all the branches of my repository and to know where I am in the repository. So it says here that I am in Snape. I am in the Snape branch. Now let us see. We're done with step 9. Let's go to step 10. Put the following text on the Patronus file. So I'll be copying that. I'll be copying this, and here I'll be closing this Patronus file. I'll be opening it again, and now since before since I switched to the Snape branch, and we are aware that the Snape branch is based on the master branch, and the master branch was the branch wherein the saved Patronus file was empty. So since Snape branch was based on the master branch, and it branched off before the Harry branch got a Patronus that has a content. So it is rightful that the Patronus file on the Snape branch is also empty. So now let's go to step 10. Copy the text below. So I'll just paste it here. It is Snape's Patronus. So I'll save it. So now it's saved. It's saved. So we're done with number 10. Let's go to step 11. Add and commit the changes on the Snape branch, and then commit message add Snape's do Patronus. So now give git add patronus .txt. Then we're done adding. Let's see if it is in the staging area. So git status. So there, modified patronus.txt. So it is now on the staging area. Now let's commit. Git commit -m, then the message add Snape's do Patronus. I'll check it again. So add Snape's do Patronus. So done. We have already made a commit to add Snape's do Patronus. We're done with number 11. Let's go to number 12. Next, create a new branch based upon the Snape branch named Lily. So now, since I am in Snape branch, if I branch off, the new branch will be of the same contents as Snape branch. So it doesn't indicate here what type of method I will use to create the new branch. So I'll just use git branch Lily to create the new branch, and I'll check if it is reflected. I'll just confirm. So here we see that there is a Lily branch in the repository, So we're done with number 12. Let's go to number 13. Move to Lily branch. I'll be using git switch Lily. There, I am now in Lily branch. I'm now in Lily branch. Let us check. Okay. Let us check the git log of Lily branch. Let's check if there. So as we can see, Lily and Snape have the same node being pointed to by its head by Lily and Snape. So it means that Lily and Snape are the same, or is currently of the same contents, and it means that Lily is indeed based upon Snape, since they point to the same node. Now we're done with number 13. We have already moved to Lily branch. Let's go to number 14, which says edit patronus.txt file so that it says Lily's Patronus at the top instead of Snape's Patronus. Leave the Do ASCII art alone. So I'll open the patronus.txt and just replace Snape with Lily. Lily's Patronus. Save. So now we're done with number 14, number 15. Let's look at git status first to see if so it says here that it is modified, and since I haven't given the command git add, so it was modified but not yet on the staging area. Now let us add. So git add patronus.txt. So it is now in the staging area. Patronus.txt is now in the staging area, and I'll commit. Git commit -m, and the message is add Lily's Patronus, and Lily's Patronus. There. So the commit was completed. It was successful. So we're done with number 15. We're now in number 16. Run a git command to list all branches. You should see 4. So I will put there git branch. So here we have 4 branches: Harry, Lily, Master, and Snape. And I am currently in Lily branch. And there. So there, all the branches were listed, and we saw 4 branches. So let's see the git logs first. Git log one line to see the logs. So on Lily branch there were 3 commits. On Harry, let's see, on Harry, git switch Harry, then git log one line. So there are two commits in Harry. Then on Snape, there are two commits, and with Master there is only one commit, which is the added empty Patronus file. So we see here that each branch is distinct, and we see that each branch is uh, already having its own contents. And now for the bonus, number 17, delete the Snape branch for Snape. So we are currently in master branch. I'll be issuing git branch slash dash d. So git branch dash d Snape. This deletes Snape branch. Error. Snape is not fully merged. If you are sure you want to delete it, run git branch capital D. This will force Snape to be deleted without it being fully merged. And I have to delete Snape. No hard feelings, Snape, but I have to delete you forcefully. There. So Snape was deleted. Snape is now deleted. And let us see the list of branches. Here we see that Snape is no longer there. But let us go to the Lily branch first. Switch Lily. Let's go to Lily, since Lily is based on Snape. Let us see what the deletion of Snape branch did to Lily. So git log. I'll issue git log on Lily. So here we see that there is no more parenthesis that states it is a Snape branch. The existence of Snape branch, unlike here where we see that there is a parenthesis Snape, which indicates that Snape branch is currently on this node. So since we deleted Snape, the parenthesis, or the existence of the parenthesis here, which indicates that Snape is in this node, is already gone. So the loss of Snape branch did not indicate that the chain of nodes was destroyed, but instead only the pointer for Snape branch was deleted. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.